This is an instructional video on how to prescribe medications for future encounters. Once you have found your patient, ensure that you have selected the correct one. Within the Doctor's View tab, you should navigate yourself to Admission. Before prescribing any medications, ensure that you have checked the patient's allergies as well. From the Pull-out tab, navigate to New Order Entry. This will allow you to prescribe a medication or prescribe a care plan, and in this scenario, we will be looking for Future Clinic Medication Care Plan. These can be used for adult and pediatric patients. By selecting once, this will add it to your shopping basket at the top here, and you can click on the shopping basket and select Sign. This will pull up a Future Clinic Medication Care Plan, and you can select from either a future inpatient visit or a future outpatient visit. Document your estimated start date for the future medication. So, for example, in 7 days. And select OK at the bottom. This will navigate you to the care plan, and this gives you further instruction on how to add medications to the care plan to be activated at a later point when the patient is admitted into clinic. By following this, you can select Add to Phase at the top and select Add Order. You can search for the item that you would like to give and select Done. The blue circle with the white cross in the middle denotes that there are items missing from the order set before it can be signed off. The yellow boxes here show that these are the mandatory fields that need to be completed before the order can be signed off. Ensure all the fields have been completed, and once you are happy with the prescription, you can then select Orders for Signature. You'll also note that the blue circle with the white cross has now gone. It will then ask you to sign for the order. And if you look at the drug chart, the medication is not yet prescribed. When it comes to activating the patient's order, you can navigate to Requests and Care Plans here on the left-hand side and click on the Future Medications Care Plan here. The start and date time should display, but once we are happy for the medication to be administered when the patient is there in clinic, you can select on the medication and select Activate. If you need to amend the date or time for the patient attending the clinic, so say, for example, they have turned up at midday, you can select Enter, apply Orders for Signature, and Sign. And this will add the medication to the drug chart for administration by the staff in the clinic. If you have any questions or would like to see a quick reference guide for this, you can access this via the eCoach button, or you can speak to one of your pharmacists or get in touch with one of the digital team.